Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, January 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I mean, we definitely got some pretty big fib bounces right here, but I still am very bullish. I actually think this is a 1-2 right here. 1-2, and then we're actually in a wave 3 right now. If this really is a wave 3, then this thing has got a lot of upside potential. It should go beyond the 100% and actually probably closer to the 161.8% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2, which puts us all the way up to about the $2,400-$2,500 range. So going down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we've definitely been going down for the last probably month or more, but I still think this move down is actually a subdivision of the uptrend. I think this wave 5, this 5-way pattern to the upside is a 1. I think this is a very corrective wave 2. I think we're in a wave 3 right now, and this is just a subdivision of that wave 3, maybe like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and maybe a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, I actually think this is a WXY pattern because it very clearly seems to me like 3 waves down, 3 waves up. I think it's going to lead to 1, 2, 3 waves down for a wave Y. It's going to be a triple three pattern. W, 3 waves for W, 3 waves for X, 3 waves for Y. And then once that's complete, I think it will continue the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I think this is very clearly impulsive up, and I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up, and then a little 5 wave down. That is definitely a 3-3-5 pattern, a very traditional uh, Elliot wave pattern. Actually, 5-3-5 pattern, 5 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down, and I think now we're probably going up for a 5 wave pattern to the upside to complete an a B, and a C correction. I think right around this 2040 area, or possibly the 2050, which lines up with the 78.6 or lines up with the 61.8, is going to be the most likely area for this to end a wave C and probably head back down. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I definitely am looking at this as an uptrend. So I would primarily be looking for longs right now. A little bit before the 2040 area, probably like the 2039 or so, is where the 61.8 would line up, which I actually think the 2050 area that I was just showing on the higher time frames could be a more likely area. But if we see it go up, if we see it respect the fib level, make an impulsive move down, make a break of structure, then I would definitely stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts in a downtrend. But until that happens, I would actually be looking for longs, especially if you trade the 1 hour time frame and under. I would be looking for longs until you see this picture right here, which is a Fibonacci bounce with a break of structure to the downside. And if that's the case, that's probably the end of an ABC correction and probably an entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.